welcome back to part 2. So last time we made this bottom holder, and to start with we're gonna hide it and click UI canvas and click we want a UI panel again, and this time we take the color and set it all the way down so we can't see it, and change selection panel. So this is gonna be our character selection panel. So we're gonna need text. So you can take text mesh pro or whatever, but I'm just gonna take a simple text and gonna write character list, and I'm gonna put it up in the corner so it will pivot to that area, and we're gonna move it up there, and we're gonna change the font size to 41, and we're gonna scale it also so we can see. So now we can see it, and we're gonna change the color of the text to white. We can even add a shadow, so we're gonna add component shadow and maybe 2 and -2, and this will just give this little shadow here so it may be easier to read for some. So it's like these small little touches we should think about. And then we will make another panel, and this panel will be our current characters, and we will have it in up here aligned with the text, size it down so like go like this, and we will say that its pivot pointed up there. And what we're gonna do then is we're gonna have image. Gonna make an image inside that, which will be if you hold down Alt and Shift, you can like move it to the side like this, and we can move it a little bit in, but don't use too much time of that. And we're gonna take, let's see what it'll have. It's gonna be like a background color, so let's see, this will actually be in the inventory. That's a good background color, so we will take this background color, and then we're gonna make this is icon background color, and then we're gonna create a new image under that. So it will be like the icon, and for the icon we're gonna go to, let's see, what inventory, icons, character, yeah, we're gonna go into icons, and this will be like, could be like symbol of like a warrior or something like that. So we will put it up here, and now we have this icon inside, but you can see that it's like hitting the edge, and we don't want that, so we're gonna scale it a little bit down, a little bit more, and then put this to Alt Shift again so it's in the middle. So now we have like the icon for this character that we have. So we're gonna need next to it we're gonna need a new panel again, and we are making a lot of panels today, and it's gonna be like the same size as this in the high, and in the width we want it to be a little more longer, because here we want to write the character name and level and whatever you want. So from here to, we gonna say like 130, and we're gonna change the background of this one as well. it in inventory, and we're going to panel and background, and we're going to put the color all the way up, and we're gonna, this one is going to be our info, and we're gonna take UI text and set it like this again at the top right corner, left corner, and we're gonna make it in the middle. I'm gonna change the color to white so we can see it, and for this one we want to be like 20, maybe more, 25, and here we can say player name, and we want to maybe move it out a little bit, so like this. That's actually, yeah, we can do that. So as long as x is still 0, y is like this, yeah. Then we can take make another text, and this one can be like the level 1, and we change the color to white, and we can change the pivot to here. Maybe even we need actually to do that for both. Say the pivot to here, and then from there you can. It's more like when we're talking about pivots, is because when you're changing screen, these elements will turn around. So right now my screen is set as this, but if we change it, it's gonna jump around. So we need to pull up the pivot points correctly. But now it's here, so let's move the player name up a bit. So we're gonna say plus 20 here, and this could be like minus 20, and we're gonna do the same size for them, so it's 25. Whoops, 25, and we want to say the middle. So now we can see what kind of class it is, what the name is, and actually I'm not really happy about how the name is like here right now. So I want to make the width a little bit bigger, so like 260 like this, and I want to do the same with the text, so we can change this as we like it. You can add more. So now we got this. We want in this panel also we want to organize it a bit. So we have the catalyst text here, we have the player name text here, we have the level text here. Oh, I'm gonna remove here again, just yeah. And then we're gonna go to